Hello everyone, welcome to Sevana, where innovation meets efficiency. My name is Raman. Today we are introducing you our state-of-the-art, a double chamber vacuum packaging machine designed to revolve all your packaging process. Let's dive into the key features that makes our machine stand out from the rest. First up, dual chamber with two separate chambers. You can double your productivity by preparing your next package while the other chamber is sealing, maximizing your output. Our advanced technology ensures the accuracy of the vacuum every time. Vacuum packaging extends the shelf life and helps preserve the quality of the product. Our main feature is German-made boost vacuum pump, which delivers exceptional performance with minimum maintenance. We also have a sensor-based system for accuracy, which ensures improved performance with the lower cycle time. Ours is the sole vacuum packaging machine in India with an adjustable vacuum percentage. Now we will start with hands-on demo for your better understanding.